Hello, and thank you for joining us for an information session on Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University. My name is Matthew Flaherty. I am the Executive Director of Enrollment and Campus Operations, and I'm based at Embry-Riddle's Singapore campus. Based in Singapore, I cover the Asia-Pacific region, including South Asia and Pakistan. I've been with Embry-Riddle for over 15 years. I have an MBA in Aviation from Embry-Riddle's Daytona Beach campus and a Bachelor of Science in Aerospace Studies from Embry-Riddle's Prescott, Arizona campus. I've been a student, I've been a flight instructor, I've been a member of the faculty, and now an administrator. So I know Embry-Riddle from top to bottom in many different capacities. I'd like to take a moment to talk a little bit about Embry-Riddle's history. Now, when we look at the name Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University, certainly we recognize the word aeronautical and we recognize the word university. But where does the Embry-Riddle come from? Well, like a lot of universities, Embry-Riddle was named after our founders. John Paul Riddle was an aviation enthusiast and pilot, and he met Talton Higbee Embry, and together they formed the Embry-Riddle Company in 1926. Initially, the Embry-Riddle Company did aircraft sales and pilot training, but evolved over time, establishing a series of airmail routes and training pilots during World War II into what we know today as Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University. We have a long, rich history that spans over 90 years, and I'd like to take a moment to show you a short video clip that looks at the last 90 years of Embry-Riddle. Now, as we can see from that video, Embry-Riddle truly has come a long way over the last 90 years. Today we have over 80 undergraduate, graduate, and postgraduate degree programs. We're regionally accredited in the United States by the Southern Association of Colleges and Schools. Now that accreditation is important because what it means is that regardless of where a student is pursuing their degree from, whether they be in Singapore, Pakistan, the United States, Germany, Japan, wherever there's an Embry-Riddle campus, or wherever an Embry-Riddle student is pursuing the degree online from, when they graduate, they will receive the same degree with the same recognition, the same prestige, and the same accreditation of the Southern Association of Colleges and Schools. Now, as I alluded to, Embry-Riddle is a large university. We have over 130 locations around the world. We have residential campuses in Daytona Beach, Florida, and Prescott, Arizona, but we have campuses across Europe, Asia, and even a growing number of campuses in Latin America. I'm talking to you today from Embry-Riddle, Singapore. Embry-Riddle Asia was established in 2011, and we offer undergraduate, graduate, and postgraduate degree programs to over 500 students, primarily coming from Singapore and Southeast Asia. Combined, the university has over 34,000 students coming from over 125 countries, and we have over 120,000 alumni. These are individuals that have graduated from Embry-Riddle and are out working in the industry doing amazing things in aviation. We truly are a global, international university specializing in aviation and aerospace, a university like no other. Now, the future for Embry-Riddle is incredibly bright. We're building partnerships with industry and government and other universities so that we can solve not just today's problems, but tomorrow's problems. We're investing in facilities on campuses. We're investing in our degree programs and our faculty. We're making sure that our students and faculty have the best tools, the best curriculum, and the best ideas so that they can solve the problems of tomorrow. As we salute the visionaries of our past, our future remains incredibly bright, and this is an exciting time for Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University. What I'd like to do now is take a look at some of the different degree programs that Embry-Riddle offers. I've broken up the next couple of slides into several different areas, and they include aviation, business, engineering, space operations, applied sciences and math, and safety, security, and intelligence. And the next couple of slides will detail some of the different degree programs offered in each one of these areas. Now, when it comes to aviation, Embry-Riddle has a number of different degree programs for students to choose from, whether you're looking for a bachelor's degree, a master's degree, or even a PhD. Some of the degree programs that are listed here include the Aeronautical Science program, which is our professional pilot training program, our Air Traffic Management program, which trains air traffic controllers, but we have degree programs in aviation security, aviation maintenance, aviation business, aviation finance, unmanned aerial systems. There truly are an infinite number of opportunities within the aviation world when it comes to Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University's degree programs that focus on aviation. Now, on the engineering side, we have a lot of different options as well. We have bachelor's degree, master's degrees, and again, PhD programs. We're very proud of the fact that our aerospace engineering program has been ranked #1 in the United States for the last 16 years in a row. But it's not just aerospace engineering that's made us famous. We've got degree programs in civil, electrical, computer, software, mechanical engineering. Realize that when an aircraft is designed, an aircraft is built, it's not just one engineer that's working to build that aircraft. Yes, an aerospace engineer is going to be working on the physical design aspect of that aircraft, but you're going to have a computer engineer and a software engineer working on the systems. You're going to have a mechanical engineer that's working on the various components. You're going to have a civil engineer that might be working to build the airport that that particular aircraft might fly from. We have a number of different options when it comes to engineering for our students to choose from, again, at the 3 different levels: bachelor's degree, master's degree, and PhD level. Now, space operations is incredibly exciting. If you're interested in astronomy, astrophysics, space physics, unmanned aircraft systems, there's a number of different options for you to choose from at, again, the bachelor's, master's, and PhD level. There truly are an infinite number of opportunities within aviation and aerospace when it comes to space operations, and we're incredibly excited to be offering a growing number of space-focused degree programs at Embry-Riddle. Safety, security, and intelligence. Now, we all know that there is not a single aspect of the aviation industry that does not concern itself with safety, whether it be aviation safety, emergency services, industrial psychology and safety, aircraft accident investigation. There are certainly a number of opportunities that exist within the safety, security, and intelligence field within aviation. These are some of the programs that students at Embry-Riddle can choose from at the bachelor's and master's degree level. And finally, applied sciences and mathematics. We have a number of different degree programs at the bachelor's, master's, and PhD level that focus on applied sciences and mathematics, from communication to computer science, wildlife science, human factors. There are a great deal of opportunities that fall into some of these different areas, and students have an opportunity to choose from several different degree programs within applied sciences and mathematics. I'd like to switch gears now and talk about the fee structure at Embry-Riddle. Now realize that you have an opportunity to apply to any of the Embry-Riddle campuses. You can apply to the Florida campus, the Arizona campus, the Singapore campus, and several of the other campuses within the university system. But what I want to do is talk about the Embry-Riddle online campus today. And I want to talk about that because I truly believe that our online programs are going to be those that are most attractive to students in Pakistan interested in pursuing a bachelor's degree, master's degree, or PhD degree. Now the tuition is broken up into two different categories, undergraduate and graduate. Starting with our undergraduate tuition, this would be for anybody interested in pursuing one of our bachelor's degrees. Our bachelor's degrees are typically 4 years in length, and the tuition is estimated at $10,950. So you can multiply that by 4, and you can see for one of our bachelor's degree programs, you're looking at just under $44,000 US for the duration of the program. That's for the whole program over 4 years. Switching gears and looking at the graduate tuition. Graduate tuition is estimated at $11,160 per year. Graduate degree programs are typically going to be 2 years in length. So you can multiply this number by 2, and you're looking at a number that's roughly over $22,000. Now it's important to note that tuition is not due all up front. There's no large lump sums or large payments that are due at the start of the program. You basically pay your tuition as you move through the program. So on the undergraduate degree program, if it takes you 4, 5, 6, 7 years, you can divide that $44,000 up into a series of installments, and you can spread those payments out over the duration of your program. On the graduate side, the same opportunity exists. There's no upfront payments. You basically pay as you learn. You pay for each course that you take as you pursue it. So you can spread these payments out over a period of time. It's important to note that there's scholarship opportunities that are available to students that are applying to Embry-Riddle, whether you're applying to the Florida campus, the Arizona campus, the Singapore campus, or even the online campus. Scholarship opportunities are available, and you'll learn more about those once you complete an application for admission. Here's an admissions checklist, and this is going to be for somebody applying to one of our bachelor's degree programs. The items are listed here. Obviously, we're going to need you to complete an application, pay an application fee, and submit several documents to us, from a personal statement and a copy of your passport, all the way through to recommendation letters and your TOEFL or IELTS score. We're also going to require official high school or college transcripts. In order to be official, they need to be sent directly from the institution that you attended to Embry-Riddle. This is a list of the different documents that are going to be required as an undergraduate applicant. On the graduate side, we have a very similar list. The only difference is that for some of our graduate programs, the GRE or the GMAT examination is going to be required. Again, in order for your transcripts to be considered official, they need to come directly from the college that you attended and did your bachelor's degree at. I hope what you've been able to see over the last couple of minutes is that Embry-Riddle truly is a university like no other. We have tremendous opportunities for our students. They can fly aircraft, they can design engines, they can lead an industry, predict the weather, even explore outer space. Opportunities for Embry-Riddle students truly are boundless, and as I said at the start, Embry-Riddle truly is a university like no other, and there are amazing opportunities in any number of our degree programs, regardless of whether you're pursuing a degree at the bachelor's, master's, or PhD level. The next video I hope will get you excited about some of the different aspects and opportunities that exist at Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University. So as we can see, it's an incredibly exciting time to be a part of our university, and I really hope that today's presentation has given you a chance to learn about some of the different opportunities that exist for you at Embry-Riddle. We want you to stay in touch and keep engaged with us. The best place to do that is on our website, erau.edu. There you'll find additional information on the degree programs that we talked about today, as well as information on scholarships and the application process and so on. Another resource that you have in Pakistan is Dr. Wali Mughni. Dr. Wali is a graduate of Embry-Riddle, and he knows the university very well. He can talk to you about the admissions process, about our degree programs, any questions you might have. Dr. Wali is a great resource for you, and he's our official representative in Pakistan. Please take a moment to note down his contact information so that you can keep in touch with him if you have any questions about Embry-Riddle. It's certainly been my pleasure to speak to you today from Singapore. I certainly wish you all the best and hope to see you one day at Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University. Thank you.